Mickey.
You gonna see Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
Hello! Minnie and I today are working on some packing, so I thought that I would share with you what's happening, a little bit of what we're doing, and a little bit of what we're packing. So, this is Minnie's suitcase. It's so cute, just a little child-sized suitcase, although it's about as big as he is, honestly. Child-sized suitcase with like transportation on it. His Aunt Cupcake. Yeah? His Aunt Cupcake got it for him last Christmas. So we're excited. This is its first, I guess we went to the beach this summer, but this will be its first time flying. So there we go. We'll see how it holds up, I guess, too. So, alright. So I just did those videos, did all those clips, actually did it, by the way, not just clips, but really, you want to hop in on this? Really did pack everything up in those bags and all that stuff. Got about halfway there, halfway done, realized that it's not gonna work, it's not gonna fit, and I am way too paranoid and need things, here you go, need things to be organized to do it the way I was doing it. So we're starting with a whole different bag, and I am going to choose, instead of just like stuffing stuff in the suitcase.
Apple.
Yeah, apple? Are you having an apple? Darla. And do. Instead of just stuffing stuff in the suitcase, I am actually doing like a full outfit with options for each day. So that's like a t-shirt, a jacket of some sort for most days, and then both pants and shorts for most days as well. I'll bring the extra with me, whatever he's not like wearing when we leave the hotel, I'll bring it with extra. So yeah, so we're bringing more. We've got a bigger bag, and it's gonna be better, and I'm gonna be happier. So since we're no longer using this bag for all of the clothes that Minnie needs, we are now going to use it as his diaper bag. Not like diaper bag, and they're gonna love this thing around the parks, but his bag for his diapers. If you don't know, we cloth diaper, so it needs its own suitcase. So today is, yeah, today is the Monday before we leave. I usually do my diapers, try to wash my diapers on Sundays and Wednesdays, Wednesday, Thursday, whatever. But I am gonna start packing so that I always have some kind of like stash going. I do them twice a week. It washes about half of them. I have about the other half clean, so we're good. Here we go. Let's go fold some diapers. I know, super exciting. You're jealous. Today is Thursday. We leave on Saturday. Have a million things to do yet. Have to finish packing and things like that. Yeah? Yeah? There you go. And the other big thing I have to do, well, I'm going to see my mom today. We're going to visit her before we leave. Just because we're going to be gone for almost 10 days. So we won't see her for a little bit. And she wants to see her mini-man. I'm sure she kind of wants to see me too, but let's be real, guys. Okay, so, but before I leave, even for that, here's this. No. before I even leave for that, I have to switch up our diaper bag. I'm gonna work on that. I'm prepping this bag for today, but also for the flight for Disney. So I have like our quart bag here, and I brought his pouch out from his carry-on, and I'm gonna put all of like any liquids that we have in here. So, all right, here we go. Just gonna do the switch now. So there we go, all done. Everything's packed inside of here. It fits perfectly. It's very nice. I was nervous about not having pockets because the old bag has so many pockets, but this is great with that little organizer thing. It's perfect. So I'm very happy, and it should be easier to carry and like chase after him. I can wear it on my back. Yeah. I got trash cleaned out, so that's good. There was a few things, only a couple things in there, like this, as I call butt spray. That's too much. I can't take that through security, so we'll keep that out, but that's okay because we're bringing the wet wipes anyway, not the cloth wipes. Yeah. Oh, and my pepper spray, which I'm not going anywhere except my mom's house and then to the airport over the next couple days, and I know that I can't have that in the airport, so took that out for now, and it'll be going back in when we come back. So yeah, that's about it. All right, here we go. We're gonna go off to Grandma's house now. We'll see you later, I'm sure. If not later today, we'll check in for sure tomorrow to do all the final packing and cleaning and diapers and yay. 2 days to go! Stopped at the mailbox on our way out, and I think this is one of my Disney shirts, so I'm excited because there's like no time left, you know. We gotta get them now. We're still missing our family shirts that were redone, so crossing my fingers they come tomorrow. We do have backups, but oh my gosh, oh, it's so nice too. And this is from Mountain Thread Studio on Etsy. Uh-oh. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so hard to see because I have like no space here. It's a Mickey head with like the Beauty and the Beast stained glass, and it says, "Tale as old as time." This might be my favorite shirt. I love it so much. Alright, that's all. Moving on. Going to Grandma's house now. Yeah. What are you drawing? Mickey.
That's what he's been.
You gonna meet Mickey?
Yeah.
You gonna tell him, "Hi, Mickey"?
What are you going to say when you see him? Is that what you're going to do?
Yeah.
I hope so.
Do you think you're going to give him a hug?
Yeah.
Yeah. Or do you think you'll be afraid to?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no. Yeah.
No.
What are you doing? I'm repacking Minnie again. So here we go, because he has too much stuff. Packing for a child is about 1,000,000 times more difficult than packing for myself. That's all I have to say on that. Alright, here we go. Packing Minnie, part 3.
Open